It's empty.
I feel like I should write something. This will probably work. Let's see. Hey, how's it going? I'm putting back together this 2871R from Twisted Motion. Sadly, after I put it all back together and started the car, I noticed a noise coming from the cartridge, but we'll get to that later. So, I'm supposed to get my turbo back today. So let's get ready for it.
It's empty.
Really? Oh shit.
Watch your elbow.
Yeah. The master.
Yeah. It's like shifting over though. Grab the bottom.
The perks of having wheels.
You're stuck on something.
I want to clean it up. I just.
I'm a good black.
Might as well.
Then they match that and
It'll be equally shitty. Black.
it'll look stock. You won't get popped.
Huh?
Knock on wood.
They'll be like, what the fuck is this brown thing? It's slow, I swear.
He just said don't start it, so he's plugged in with his laptop.
Oh. Gay?
Your rain guard cracked? They didn't crack, it just got scratched. By what? No. Oh, really? That fell off my house. Are you done yet? Hurry the fuck up.
Accurate.
It's not yours. This is not yours. Okay.
What the hell? Why? That's stupid. Oh, this is gonna be crazy hard. I love it the wastegate, but I fucking hate this part. a tear. Now this is a new one. So getting rid of this style, and then I'm going with V-band. It's always so weird to like get into a recording mood, just because like you just want to do shit, not be like stopping and recording yourself and whatnot. We're gonna be working on this piece of crap. See what we got here. I used to own a twisted motion turbo that wasn't so good. So I ended up, having issues with them and just didn't work out. So I ended up going with a different turbo. This is a pulsar. However, I've been dealing with T25s, T28s for a long time. And as much as like I'd want to change, the 4-bolt flange and all that stuff, that's just gonna be there forever. However, let's see if I can show you. Yeah. We ended up going V-band towards the end of the turbo. I wanted to get rid of the 5-bolt flange because I noticed that sometimes if I ever wanted to take off the turbo elbow, what would happen is that I would notice that the bolts will be loose, or some bolts will be loose, and that's not good. That's obviously a exhaust leak. It's not a boost leak, but it will definitely change airflow ratio. So yeah, we decided to mill it out and try and figure out how to, create a more efficient and secure way of having an exhaust system. This is pretty wild. So Josh and I were, trying to figure out, hey, what would work, So it's a 2-inch V-band in the front, which comes out of the turbo, to a nice little flex pipe, and then it transitions to oval. Obviously I didn't want to change the backside of it, and this might hang a little bit low, but it'll be fine. It'll be okay. And then after that, we still wanted to Cerakote the whole system, just because, if you go turbo, there's gonna be a lot of heat, and this whole area is just a lot of heat. So yeah, I'm gonna install it. I think that should be the last piece of the puzzle. I have to put on this airflow sensor along with the OEM sensor, just to get a better drivability, if I ever daily it or take it out on the highway or something. Yeah, and then right now, this is where I'm at. This is very stressful. Supposed to paint sometime this weekend. Yeah, I haven't disclosed the color to many people, only like my close friends. But yeah, hopefully it turns out okay. I don't know. At the end of the day, it's just a drift car, so it's like I would like it to be like super nice, but at the end, like it's probably gonna get hit. I'm gonna get little dings, and someone fucking threw a rock to my shit, so you know, what can you do? You know, just live and learn, keep going. But yeah, let me see if I can prop you up, and I'm gonna install this thing. There it is. So turbo, manifold, and wastegate along with the exhaust pipes. They're all Cerakoted. I haven't ran this thing, so I don't even know what's gonna happen. Our predictions are that it's gonna run a little bit more rich, but that's not a bad thing. Just because we think it's gonna be a little bit smaller than the Twisted Motion one, but hey, I mean, at least the cartridge will be nice and, you know, it won't be noisy. Yeah, let me install this thing and see what happens. Let's see if I can, yeah. Right. It's a little bit tangled. Well, that's not tangled, but like hanging up there. So let me see if I can put some twists and see if that's not gonna create issues over here. All right, that's all connected. I need to leave this disconnected because it's gonna calibrate. So I need to do that right before I start it. This battery hasn't been connected in a long time, so I don't know if it's gonna be ready to, let's see. I mean, I saw some spark, so let's see if this actually. Starts it. Like my little door handle. Check this out. Okay. Always make sure it's in front. It's neutral. That's gonna show calibrate in a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, E2. Oh, whatever. There's no exhaust fumes inside the exhaust. Usually what happens is you leave the sensor out into atmosphere and it'll calibrate, but hopefully it gets a good reading even though it's still inside the exhaust. The cool thing is that I haven't started the car in a long time, so it's, you know, man, it's taking a while. Yeah, clearly I forgot how to calibrate it. I just read up on it, so that's good. It's after 30 seconds. And then, see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah. Come on. Now you gotta power it up. It should be calibrated. Let's see. Here's on. Usually I see like a CAL, like calibration. I think I need to read up on it. Yeah. Okay. it's the line itself. Oh, look at that. That's not good. All right, we're gonna fix this. All right, I think it's fixed. Let's turn the key, prime the system, see if I'm a decent mechanic or not. Let's find out. Would you look at that? No leaks. Nice. Let's see if it starts. Warm it up a little bit. Always check your neutral. Right now, so it's about 12. Yeah, you're running at like 12.6. After your coolant goes up into regular temperatures, it'll probably go up until like the 14th. Still no leaks, so that's good. Good. Turbo doesn't sound crazy. Yeah, this thing it's been through a lot, so I'm honestly happy it just starts and runs. I guess we'll end it here. If you're watching this, like, thank you.